Welcome to the Honda Video HRX217 K6 Unpacking and Setup. In this video, we'll show you how to properly unpack and set up your new Honda HRX217 K6 lawnmower so that it will provide you with many years of reliable service. Handling and operating a lawnmower can be potentially hazardous to both the operator and those nearby. Never defeat or modify the safety devices on your lawnmower. For complete information regarding the operation of your lawnmower, refer to the owner's manual or visit your Honda Power Equipment dealer. Lawnmowers can be heavy. Have a friend or neighbor assist when you unload and unbox your new Honda lawnmower. Briskly pull open the two top flaps of the lawnmower box, then remove the cardboard inserts, grass bag frame, and finally, the plastic bag containing the owner's manual and bottle of engine oil. Remove the owner's manual and set it aside. With the help of an assistant, lift the lawnmower up and out of the box and set it onto a flat level surface. Always register your lawnmower with Honda to ensure you receive any important service information. Please take 2 minutes to register your mower by using either of these two methods. Online at powerequipment.honda.com/registration, or by mailing in the postage-paid registration card attached to the back of your owner's manual. With the lawnmower on a flat level surface, verify that the handlebar lock knobs are perpendicular to the handlebar tubes. Raise the handlebar so that the lock knobs align with one of the holes in the handle stays. Once you have aligned the lock knob to a comfortable position, turn the lock knob 90 degrees to lock the handlebar in place. The lock knob will be parallel to the handlebar tube. Verify that both the recoil rope and control cables are not bound or pinched in any way before proceeding. The lawnmower was shipped with no oil in the engine. Don't attempt to start the engine until after the oil has been added. To add oil to the engine, first unscrew the dipstick from the oil-filled tube and set it aside. Use the entire contents of the oil bottle that came with the lawnmower, which is 12 fluid ounces. If you choose to use other oil than the one that was supplied, make sure you're using SAE 10W30 SJ or later. To confirm the oil level, first wipe the dipstick clean, insert the dipstick into the oil-filled tube, and then remove it without screwing it in. The oil level should be at or near the top of the cross-hatched area of the dipstick. Don't overfill the engine with oil. Reinstall the dipstick and tighten securely as shown. You can now remove the oil warning tag from the starter grip, as well as all of the cardboard and foam shipping materials from the mower. Start by removing the grass bag from the packaging and make sure that the Honda logo is visible from the outside. Pull the grass bag frame support legs outward and then insert the ends of the legs into the round eyelets as shown. Once the grass bag frame has been assembled, set it on its end as shown. Slide the grass bag over the bag frame so that the top of the Honda logo faces the grass bag handle. Be sure to leave the grass bag handle exposed. Once the grass bag is situated, start snapping the plastic clips to the bag frame until all the clips have been secured. It may appear that there is an extra flap of grass bag fabric inside the bag. This is actually by design for wear and operator safety, so don't remove the flap. The grass bag is now ready to install onto the lawnmower. There are multiple ways to install the grass bag onto the mower. Use whichever method is most comfortable to you. For complete information regarding the unpacking or setup of your lawnmower, refer to the owner's manual or visit your Honda Power Equipment dealer.